Now I will introduce this HZJY 10K insulation resistance tester. Functional testing of microcomputer software. The following is the wiring connection to the primary side of the transformer. The high voltage end and the low voltage end are connected in parallel. Then the high voltage end is connected to the high voltage. The low voltage end is connected to the low voltage. Box grounding. Then connect to the computer and operate. Open the software. After opening, connect to enter. Then set the voltage. Click to start calculation. Set the time to 1 minute, and it will stop automatically after the time is up. The number displayed on the screen is the resistance, and the test is completed.